If you're looking for a way to quickly assign leads to reps based on form answers, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to automate the process, saving you time and effort, while ensuring your leads get to the right rep immediately. By the end, you'll know how to assign leads with ease and streamline your process. First things first, choosing the right software for lead management is essential. After testing multiple options, I found a tool that simplifies everything and lets you create workflows based on form answers. You'll be able to assign leads automatically with no manual work involved. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial of the software for you in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it. Now let's dive into how to assign leads to reps based on form answers. The first thing you'll need to do is create the form where your leads will fill out their information. This could be a contact form, sign-up form, or even a lead generation quiz. The key is to ask questions that will help you categorize leads based on their needs, industry, budget, or any other factor relevant to your business. Once your form is set up, the next step is integrating it with your lead management software. Most platforms allow you to connect forms to their system either directly or through a third-party integration. Once integrated, you'll be able to start capturing responses from your leads in real time. After integration, the next important step is creating the rules that will assign leads to specific reps. Here's where it gets exciting. Using the answers from the form, you can create rules to determine which lead goes to which rep. For example, if a lead selects a specific service or a high budget option, you can assign them to a rep with experience in that area or who handles high value clients. It's all about tailoring the assignment to ensure that the right person follows up with the right lead. This software we're using makes this process incredibly easy. You can set up these rules in just a few clicks, and it automates the entire process so you don't have to manually assign leads. The system will route the lead to the correct rep based on the answers they give in the form, all within seconds. No more wasting time sorting leads. It's all done for you. Once your rules are set up, you'll want to test them out to make sure they're working as expected. You can do this by submitting a test form yourself or using the software's built-in testing tools. Once you confirm everything's working, you're ready to go live with your automated lead assignment system. Key takeaway: automating lead assignments based on form answers can save you a ton of time and ensure that the right rep is always handling the right lead. Make sure your forms are properly integrated with your lead management software, set up rules based on your lead's answers, and let the software handle the rest. It's that easy. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it if you want to follow along and streamline your lead management process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.